Today, I want to talk to you about a concept that's been making a lot of noise and rounds on the social media, the burnt toast theory. You might be thinking, burnt toast in business world, Francois, what are you talking about? But trust me, there's something powerful and a great wisdom that's hiding in that crispy piece of bread. Hello everyone, it's Francois here from howtobecomemore.com. So imagine you're the CEO, because you are, of your business, and you're rushing to an important meeting. You grab a quick breakfast only to discover what? Burnt toast. Frustrating, right? Well, it throws off your whole morning, but there's a burnt toast theory twist, and let's explore it. Maybe that extra time spent on remaking that breakfast means that you avoid a traffic jam or a tech malfunction that would have delayed the meeting anyway. Okay, Francois, so how do we apply this theory to our business? Great question. See, in the business world, you and I both know that things rarely go according to plan. And I have this here on my desk, little sheet. It says, this is success, what most people say. And I says, no, this is what success looks like. And when you're at the bottom here, that's when we need help. Otherwise, most people quit. So this is what we want, but this is reality. And so, as I said, in business, things rarely go the way we want. And we often see these setbacks and frustrations derail us. Well, what if we viewed them through the burnt toast theory? See, the key takeaway here is about reframing. Things, making them from thinking negative to positive. And sometimes things just burn. That's the way life comes at us. But the burnt toast theory encourages a mindset shift that actually helps us move from that frustrating portion into something that's better. Instead of having blame, we go to acceptance and we go to adaptation, which is a very powerful word in business, to adapt.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, How to Become More, for more insightful business videos like this.
It reminds us of a fast-paced business world. Not everything is within our control. And the day we think it's in our control is the day we lose it. But we can control some things, our response. We can choose to see that setback as an opportunity to learn and to grow and become more resilient leaders. Hence my mission and website, howtobecomemore.com. Now let's talk about mindset shift and reframing and positivity. So the next time you face the literal burnt toast moment in your business, take a deep breath. Actually, right now, everybody, take it. If you're driving, don't close your eyes, but take a deep breath right now. Hold it and let go. See, as the relaxation, right away, you change the way that you felt, and you were in control of that. Let's take the reframe example for example, as a situation. You can ask yourself when things are going sideways, what's the hidden opportunity here? Do you see that I'm shifting my mind from, burnt toast to, what's the hidden opportunity here? It's much better than saying, why do things always go wrong? Because when you ask this question, guess what? You will get answers to that, and not going to be the ones that empower you. So how about a better answer or better question also that can be asked, such as, how can I use this to learn and grow? You see the concept? Things are happening bad. Instead of getting frustrated towards the thing, shift yourself. And right away, your mind's going to shift. Questions the right ones. It reframes the situation to empower you. And let's face it, when you're empowered with something better, you make better decisions. And that reframing allows you to see challenges as potential stepping stones instead of stumbling blocks. And they also may hint a need to course correct. Sometimes that's what it is. Or even it's a blessing in disguise.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, How to Become More, for more insightful business videos like this.
The art of reframing comes easier with guidance from those who know how to do it. And I'll put some extra examples in the comments below for you to use and apply them, and even comment on the difference it made for you. And for those of you that want to go deeper, explore more insights on reframing, reach out and let's have a conversation and connect. The next time you face a business setback, take a deep breath and remember that the burnt toast theory, it might just be an unexpected nudge that you need to turn things around. Go out and make a difference. Lead with your mindful optimism, because now you can better reframe a situation in your favor with the quality of the questions that you ask. In the comments below, share your own burnt toast experiences in the business that you're in and how you turned them around into something positive. So let's build a community of mindful leaders who embrace the unexpected and turn it around. A true win-win situation. I'm offering a complimentary 15-minute call discussion in order to find out how I can help you develop a more mindful and resilient leadership approach to reframing the bad into the good, and even, dare I say, into the best. A true game changer. So head over to howtobecomemore.com/15 to book your call today. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And even because we every week drop in some valuable tips and insights on coaching, leadership, and personal development. So hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can be notified every time a new video comes out, and share this with those you know that might need this information as well. And let's keep the conversation going. This is Francois from howtobecomemore.com, thanking you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. And until that time, have a blessed day. Thank you.